So black activism is in the air, and Jamaican-born England football star Raheem Sterling joins the call for more black, Asian, and minority ethnic coaches in the Premier League. Sterling pointed to Steven Gerrard and Frank Lampard as recently retired white former players who got good coaching jobs, while their black counterparts, Ashley Cole and Sol Campbell, cannot get equivalent opportunities. But my question is though, should a club hire a black coach simply because he's black? And do they hire white coaches simply because they're white? Or do clubs hire coaches based on coaching ability, experience, and results? I cannot fathom a team owner seeing a top coach with known abilities to win championships and titles, but not hire him because he's black, while a poor coach who is not getting the results and out to get the team relegated, he would get hired just because he's white. No, sir. Business around so. So while there are obstacles and challenges in their way, instead of bickering about the opportunities their white friends are getting, these black coaches should try to focus on getting the results in the small coaching jobs they do get. Yes, yes, yes. Because trust me, in this high pressure winning business, a winning football coach will always get a job, whether in white or in yellow or in black, like the Mavericks.